Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can enable versioning on S3 bucket using AWS CLI. So let's move to AWS CLI. As you can see, now we are in our AWS CLI. First of all, we need to log in with AWS credentials. For this, type AWS configure and hit enter. After login with AWS credentials, first of all, we want to see all buckets in S3. For this, type AWS S3 ls and hit enter. Here you can see we have multiple buckets in our S3. For example, we want to check whether bucket versioning is enabled on our test-bucket 0092 or not. For this, type AWS S3 API space get bucket versioning space bucket and type the bucket name, which is test-bucket 0092, and hit enter. As you can see, this is showing nothing. It means bucket versioning is not enabled on this bucket. To enable bucket versioning, type AWS space S3 API space put bucket versioning space bucket and then put the name of the bucket, which is test-bucket 0092, then versioning configuration space status is equal to enabled and hit enter. As you can see, our command is executed successfully. Now if I again check the bucket versioning by using AWS space S3 API space get bucket versioning space bucket and put the name of the bucket and hit enter, here you can see now status of this bucket is enabled. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.